I'm Pamela Jerry Rosser. I've been the Alamo Conservator for over 10 years. I have been a conservator for over 30 years. I got into this field because I grew up with a father who was a preservation architect, and my mother had a company doing restoration and conservation work. Preservation has been a part of my daily life ever since I was a very young child. I graduated from the University of Incarnate Word with a degree in fine art and art history. I studied conservation in Italy and even had the incredible opportunity to work with the Conservator team that worked on the Sistine Chapel. I love working at the Alamo because I have the privilege and the satisfaction of working on some of Texas' greatest artifacts, the Long Barrack and the Alamo Church, as well as all of the artifacts within our collection. So let's talk about the Long Barrack. Being Texas' largest artifact, or one of Texas' largest artifacts, as I said earlier, we have to treat it as an artifact. So it's not treated as you were going to do repairs on any other building. You're going to have to do any type of cleaning or repairs in a very different and detailed manner, which is what we're doing here at the Long Barrack. The Long Barrack went under preservation study, where a team of experts came in and they assessed the stone, each stone of the Long Barrack, inside and out, looking at the condition of the stone, determining which stones were stable, which stones were friable, and then which stones had a large accumulation of lichen. The stones with large accumulation of lichen, and also the mortar or the grout, requires removal in order for the team of experts to come back and assess those areas. So before they can finish their study, the exterior of the Long Barrack has to be cleaned. Well, how do we clean this artifact? You have to clean it in the gentlest method possible, and tests have to be run first to determine what is the gentlest and most effective method. The gentlest method was using hot water. And so what the team of stone masons are doing right now is they are cleaning the exterior of the Long Barrack with hot water and bristle brushes. They apply the water to the lower part of the wall, and with a circular motion, they use the bristle brush to remove the lichen and the debris, and they slowly work their way up the wall. Once that is all finished, then we will go through the exterior and we will look at all those areas that were documented that had large accumulation of lichen, and the team of experts will then assess those stones and determine what their condition is. Lichen is an interesting biological growth. It has accumulated here on certain stones and stone surfaces of the Long Barrack for over decades. Lichen is it's a biological organism. It forms in roundy, leafy, crusty patches, and it grows generally on stones. It comes in colors of gray, black, red, green, or orange. It develops in a good, clean air environment, but it can also develop in environments that have lots of pollutants. Lichen prefers, it grows well here because of our dry air. Cleaning these exterior walls is really going to clean up these stone areas, and we'll really be able to assess the stones to determine the conditions of the stones and the grout, and if those areas have to be repaired and how we're going to repair them.